In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Snapchat public profile option not showing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged in. Now head over to your profile page. For that, click on this Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, click on this gear icon given at the top right. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option of Contact Me. Click on that option. Then set it to Friends. Then head back. Now navigate to the option View My Story, set it to My Friends, then head back. These privacy settings can sometimes affect the availability of certain Snapchat features. Next, head back. Now click on the option See Me in Find Friends and toggle on for it. Then head back, log out of your Snapchat account, check for app update. For that, head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for Snapchat. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Now you can launch your Snapchat app, provide your credentials and login, and with this, the public profile option will be available. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.